Hello, my name is Maddie with AIinHealthcare's Women's Health Ultrasound team. Let me show you a few quick tips that can really make your workflow smoother when using SonoLystlive. Tip number 1, let the AI quietly help you out. If you're using Scan Assistant, you can turn on SonoLystlive Background Assistance. It quietly captures images of recognized views in the background with no interruptions and no extra clicks. This is super helpful because sometimes the AI might grab a more compliant image than the one you manually captured. It's like having a silent partner scanning right alongside you. Tip number 2, use Hide Completed to stay focused. When you're reviewing the Quiet Capture library on the touch panel, I recommend tapping Hide Completed. This filters out the views you've already checked off, so you can quickly see if the system captured anything for the views you still need. It's a great way to avoid missing anything. Tip number 3, let Auto Capture Assistance do the cleanup. We've all had that moment. Baby finally flips into the perfect position after you've already taken a bunch of images. Instead of going back and deleting the earlier ones, Auto Capture Assistance can automatically replace less adherent images with better ones. Just make sure to send your images to PACS when you end the exam, not using the print or accept key. That way, only your best images make it through. I hope you find these tips helpful and can see how AI and SonoLystlive can seamlessly integrate into your workflow. Give it a try and experience a boost in your efficiency and confidence.